Afternoon, everyone. What's going on in the guy shed this afternoon? Well, we had chiller breakdown this morning, so there hasn't been much sleep. And we've been running around in circles all day. We have been doing lots of stuff, but we haven't had any time to do any content. So we just wanted to give you a quick look at one of our little brackets for the SPOTFYR made for the SPOTFYR light. It's a very flash little setup. So we've designed this bracket so you can actually fit this onto the light with no tools needed. You don't even have to pull the light off the car. So we'll give you a quick demo, guys. These washers are shim washers. So they're designed so you put them into the system, so when you tighten up this nut firm to hold the bracket on, the beam set correct. So that means every time you change a bulb, you just do it up tight and your beam will be set correct. So we'll give you a quick demo on how to fit it. Simply undo your globe holder. We've allocated enough room inside this bracket for the DC converter to fit. So you can run the power and earth wire for the DC converter down one side. And you can also run a hardwired cable up the other side, whether it's a HDMI lead or a hardwired cable for a Falcon, for example. So you simply pull your globe holder out. And you'll have your wire sticking out. There's a slit in the bracket, so it just slides straight over. So once you worked out where your beam is, you simply apply your shim washers. They've got a slit in them too, so you just maneuver it over the wires. So just say this one needs 1.5mm washer, for example. Slide him on like so. If you got a hardwired cable you want to put over, simply lay it across the right side of the light, looking at the back. Those wires sit on there. We've got a little red one done up. You can see the converter in there. Simply again, you just slide it over the wires. Put them straight on the light. You'll see a flat side on the globe holder. It goes to the bottom. You simply just do him up firm to hold your bracket on. The beam will be set correct on very flash, compact little unit. The thermal, big range of quick release mounts. Comes with the bolts to suit your thermal to hold it to the quick release mount. There's your lead inside. Plug him in. Loosen your thumb bolts off. What an awesome little setup. We're very proud of this one. Very simple, very easy. Rightio guys, until tomorrow. Thank you.